All right, so we walked out of the hotel this morning and a van pulled up. And I was a little hesitant because I don't know if you noticed, but the van didn't have any registration numbers on it. It didn't have a company name. And there was only one person in it besides the driver. He tells us he's going to take us to the port. And we get in. Well, we've just toured all around southern Leyte, and we are close to the port now, but he charged us 750 pesos. And I think it was about a 200 peso per person ride, so it should have been about 400, and it took 3 hours and 30 minutes instead of 30 minutes.
Yeah.
But we're here now. Now we're going to try to catch a ferry to Cebu.
Kung saan ang last trip sa Rooftop?
Now we're at the ticket office, and I kept calling it Roble. I didn't know what that meant. Well, it's Roble Shipping Inc. This is our little ride we're on. This is electric. It's the first electric one we've been on. Looks like old Spanish fort. If you look at this, cannon ports in the wall, gun ports at least.
City ba niya? Korea. May mall na dito.
Yeah, this little cannon base. It's definitely an old fort. Joyful stars. Makes me a little nervous. Do you remember when we first left?
No, don't mention.
Okay. I have to take the suitcase upstairs. Again. No. I don't know, maybe we need to ask somebody. Is us? Check this out. Sweet! We got the suite. What do they call this one? The executive? We got the executive room here. We've got friggin' aircon. I should have the wide angle lens on for this, but I don't. We've got a toilet, a sink. Do the happy dance. We got our own window. Things will work out if you just let them.
Wow.
Nice. I'm gonna go see what's in the store out here. We got some life jackets, a TV. It probably doesn't work. I don't think we've had one TV work this whole trip. No, we didn't. No, that was on our internet. We had one work, but it was using Wi-Fi. Okay, let's go see. Let's get some snacks.
But we don't have any keys.
Oh, maybe we should ask them for a key.
Maybe no.
Check out these chicharrones. Chicharron, Jaman Juan, Ni Mang Juan. Anyway, we've had these before, and I really like them. But they've kind of got this greenish tint to them, and I thought that was really weird. And this time when I bought them, I noticed it says, no pork.
Yeah.
So it's completely artificial. So I looked at the ingredients, and the reason they're green is they're made from dehydrated green peas. I've never seen such a thing, but they're delicious. You should try them if you ever get a chance.
Something sour and something spicy.
Sour and spicy, delicious. There are 3 choices of tickets on the ferry. This is the open air bunks. Then they have an air-conditioned bunk section. It looks about the same as this, but it's in a closed-off area with the aircon on. The third class is what we have, a small room with aircon and a private bath. They also have a small dining area. Unfortunately, we rested before we went to eat, and by the time we got there, they were completely out of food. say Cebu is mask optional. I'm following the crowd. That's how I'm doing. Well, we're gonna stop here and try to get. You live in Manila and you don't know how to cross the street. My gosh, girl. How can you live in Manila and not know how to cross the street?
Because I followed the right, the stop sign.
Hell yes, we got a grab here in like 2 minutes. That's something that's non-existent so far in my visit to the Philippines. Hello, how are you? Okay. They're escorting us. The parade escorted us for a little while. It was a thoughtful gesture. Is that Hilongos Street right here? Booking from a builder? It's on the corner of Texas and Arkansas. You know Texas?
I was there last year. What do you say?
Okay, this is room tour number 2. I filmed this once already, but I forgot to put the wide angle lens on. And then we also had some other issues. So I've been on the phone with a GOTA for 35 minutes because we got here and they didn't have a record of the booking yet. Anyway, we're in the wrong room, so I'm going to get it filmed real quick because we're about to go to a better room. This is a regular room, and there's a closet there, a bed that's really nice. Everybody on the reviews was talking about how nice the bed is here, and it is. It's a nice bed. This poster is talking about Santo Niño. Underneath it, it says, every year, millions of devotees flock to Cebu to celebrate the feast of the Holy Child, Santo Niño. I did that. I've been to one they flock to in Mexico, Santo Niño, same saint, the child saint. Yeah, I've been. That's the one, if y'all saw my Mexico video with Selena, the Mexican star or something like that. She was famous for going there and saying she splashed water. Anyway, so this is Santo Niño, and I'm wondering if that's what the parade in the street was earlier. So we've got coffee, water, tea, a fridge. Do not have a safe. And here's the bathroom. It's got one of these cool mirrors for the ladies, I guess. A shower. It's a couple of big towels. Just a normal CR, I suppose. We are one block from, I think it's called Bohol Street, the oldest street in Cebu, from dates to the 1500s. We're one block away from that. They have a band tonight on the rooftop. We have breakfast included in the morning. They have a spa. It's supposed to be a good place. I'll let you know. So I really love this feature. They have the aquarium playing on the TV with some nice relaxing music. So now we're going to see what room they take us to. Let's see. And this is where he brought us to. So this is our suite, as they call it. And let's see, we've got a shower and a tub, toilet, sink. Hey, look, the bathroom supplies they gave us a little better bathroom supplies. I've got a razor this time. There was no razor down there, and there was no Q-tips down there at the last one. So when you get the suite, you get a razor and the Q-tips. Same movie girly mirror thing. A phone by the toilet. How nice. So if you get stuck on the toilet, you can call the front desk. No problems. We have different artwork here. And we have a little sitting area, a little desk that LB has already discovered. And again, we have the same aquarium on TV. A little relaxing music playing with it. And this bed, I believe, is a king. It's bigger than the last one. course, we got water and coffee again, and a thermos or a hot pot thing, a drawer with nothing in it, and a fridge. And then what do we have over here? Oh, okay, so we got a few more things here too. Oh, look at this, a safety box. So with the suite, you get robes, slippers, and a safety box and a hair dryer. And more cabinet space up there. The same map as a headboard. Hey, check this out. There's a router in the room. So we have our own Wi-Fi for this room. That's nice, because the Wi-Fi wasn't so great in the other room. This time there's no excuse. Plug-ins. The other one didn't have any plug-ins either. So we got plug-ins there. I don't know if we've got a view. Let's see if we've got a view. It's dark out now. I can't tell if there's a view. It doesn't look like it. I was looking at these menus, and they have spa packages here. I didn't see one that cost over 500 pesos, so there's, and a lot of them are 350, 400, 500's a max. That's about 10 bucks, a little less than 10 bucks right now, actually. That's a good price. That's the new room. So this is the 7th floor. It's a rooftop. There's a pool and restaurant here and live music right now. Oh, cool. Not a water slide, a waterfall, fountain. Oh, it's karaoke on the wall. Yeah, that's fine. Let's see what we got here.
What is it?
Look at my face. I don't know where it came from. I hope it wasn't a bird, but something just splattered right in my face from up there. I hope it's rain. Okay, we got a little Johnny Walker Black here. Smell it.
It was like something weird and hot.
It's hard. You smell caramel?
No.
No. It smells good to me. Take a tiny sip, tiny, and swish it around your mouth a little. Tell me what you think.
The taste is like a tea.
Tastes like tea. Is it good? You like it or you don't like it? No? Okay. Well, I'll take care of it. No worries. Promise I'm not trying to influence Elby. She's doing this on her own. She wants to try these things, so I'm just supporting and filming. Okay, she's wanted to try a margarita for a long time, and now she has one. So let's see. Take a little sip. The salt on the rim. What do you think?
Wait.
Take another sip.
I like it.
You like it? All right. Win one from Mexico.
It's sweet.
It's sweet.
I feel the alcohol in my stomach.
I'm telling you, it's going to get you. All right, we just got our food. We're missing a few items still. They wrap it in plastic because they bring it up from downstairs. This is on the rooftop. This is some pork belly, and Elby got some vegetables. She got some rice. I got french fries. Elby got rice. I've had rice already once today. That's enough for a gringo. Gringos don't need rice 3 times a day. Elby doesn't understand that. She's like, how do you not have rice 3 times a day?
I can't believe.
You have it twice a day.
Twice?
Here are the french fries. Awesome, thank you. They are watching, aren't they? Okay, finally we have food. We have some vegetables that Elby wanted. This is some pork belly. These are chili peppers. They're chili peppers and they're wrapped in pastry, but they're also stuffed with cheese and meat. And some french fries, finally. You should have seen the look I got from the waitress when I told her I wanted french fries and no rice. She was baffled.
Can't live without rice.
Asians don't understand that, do they?